Hey, my name is Matthew, and I'm the co-founder of Check. When you're transitioning from running your business with a notebook or other system to Check, sometimes you might not have all of the information you need easily accessible, like your clients' addresses. But don't worry, we built a feature to help with this. Let's talk about how to auto-capture addresses. We have a client here that we've imported from our contacts, but we only had their name and phone number. Once we've added a job, we'll see a note under that client's name that says add address to see en route. Let's say that we're getting back in the truck after finishing this job. First, tap into the job details and then tap complete job. When you complete a job for a property that doesn't have an address, Check will prompt you to use your current location as that client's address. Let's tap yes if we're still on the client's property, and then no if you're not. Tapping yes is going to pull up Google Maps and the address of your current location. Let's drag the pen to make sure it's over the client's property and give that address a once over. If something looks off, you can tap edit to make the adjustments. Edit that. And then tap confirm. And then confirm again to add that address to the client's account. Now, any future jobs for that property will include the address and will also appear in the route if you use Check's one-tap route generation feature. As long as you mark jobs as complete while you're still on the site, Check will help you gather all of those clients' addresses in no time, helping you optimize your business even more.